how to use Apple gift card for Monopoly Go. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use an Apple gift card for Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to use an Apple gift card for Monopoly Go, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Step 2. Scroll down and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Use your camera to scan the gift card code or enter it manually. Once redeemed, the balance will be added to your Apple ID as store credit. Step 3. Launch Monopoly Go and navigate to the in-app store. Step 4. Select the package or item you want to purchase. Step 5. When prompted for payment, ensure your Apple ID balance is selected as the payment method. If there's enough credit, it will be deducted automatically. So that's how you can use an Apple gift card for Monopoly Go. That's all for this video.